All-American 12U.
Bears start things off. Logan Hubler found Sean Miller for a nice gain down the middle. They would score in the drive to go up 6-zip. That would be their only score of the game, as Shutdown had plans of their own. Isaiah Addison was a beast on this day. And this patient run following his blockers got Shutdown on the board in a 7-6 lead. Shutdown's defense showed up on the next series as Arnell Lee picks off the pass and rumbles all the way downfield for a touchdown and a 13-6 lead in the first. The Bears start the second half with a little trickery, an onside kick, but Keontae Hyman has other ideas. He scoops up the ball, reverses field. Look at the big guy go. He's down the sideline and he's in for the touchdown. The black and orange celebrate a 41-6 national championship.
We just do what we do and just love the game of football, and those boys prepared mentally and physically.